Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Ira, and on today's episode I'm back with a very spicy dish, Piro Aaloo. As the name suggests, it is very spicy, but if you're not a big fan of spicy food, you can tone down on the red chili and it will be good to go. It just won't be called Piro Aaloo, it will be called no Piro Aaloo. So enough with the silly joke. Let's go over the ingredients so we can get started, because that's why you're here. So for this recipe, you're going to need some potatoes that I have boiled, peeled, and cut into cubes. Some red onions and green chilies. For the spices, I'm taking some red chili powder, paprika powder, cumin and coriander powder, some red chili flakes. This is ginger paste and garlic paste. You're also going to need some salt to taste, and you're going to temper it at the end. For that, you're going to need some fenugreek seeds, some turmeric powder, some mustard oil, and you're going to need a little bit of water. Okay, so now in a mixing bowl, you're going to add the potatoes, onions and green chilies, ginger and garlic, the spices, the red chili flakes, the red chili powder, paprika powder, and cumin and coriander powder, a good pinch of salt. Oops, salt everywhere. And I'm going to add a little bit of mustard oil, and now I'm going to mix all of this really well until everything is well combined. So this looks really good. Now we're going to temper this. So over here I have some mustard oil preheating on about high heat, and I'm going to add fenugreek seed to it. And when it starts turning a little bit darker in color, we're going to add the turmeric powder and then pour over our potatoes. You just got to make sure that you're gonna pour the oil on top of the potatoes as soon as you put the turmeric, because you don't want to burn it, otherwise it's going to be very bitter. Getting there, so add the turmeric powder and now pour it over the potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of water, about 2-3 tablespoons maybe. And now I'm going to mix all of this well, and it will be ready to eat. This is ready, you guys. Doesn't it look mouth-watering? I'm going to try a little. My mouth is salivating. It's hot. It's really spicy. But that's what that makes this dish really delicious. Try this with beaten rice. It will be perfect. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. It's really spicy. If you like what you saw today, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.